Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 D300 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights along with signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions, along with 22-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing the Santorini black exterior colour. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric split boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. As well as this, you are able to find your deployable tow bar controls. This allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. The rear seats in this vehicle are in fact electronically adjustable, as well as memory seats, allowing you to find a comfortable position and save it. And you can also find the ebony leather upholstery, really adding a feel of luxury and sophistication to the interior. Moving through the front, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey that you may take. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, as well as being memory seats, ensuring that you always travel comfortably no matter what. You also have the Meridian speakers, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey that you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need, including a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have configurable ambient lighting, allowing you to change the colour of the interior lighting, as well as adjust the brightness, making the vehicle more personalised and suited to you. You also have your terrain response drive modes, which you are easily able to adjust by using the dials, ensuring that this vehicle is suitable for most terrain and keeping you safe and comfortable whilst on those off-road adventures. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated as well as ventilated, ideal for both those hot summer days as well as the colder winter ones. As well as this, the front seats are also massage seats, so on those longer journeys you can always stay comfortable no matter what. Moving to climate control, you have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. The vehicle also features a 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 D300 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.